can see when I try to log in, you see. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can solve a Deriv Chrome problem. So I noticed that when you open Deriv on Chrome, it is misbehaving. So you can see when I try to log in, you see. Let us try and see again. So you see, it will just go back to where it was. So this is a Deriv Chrome problem, and when you are using Deriv on Chrome, you will see these problems. So I have a suggestion that you can use. So if you want to avoid this problem when you are trading seriously, then just use Microsoft Edge. So this is Microsoft Edge. So if you are on a PC, I am sure that your PC has Microsoft Edge, this one here. So just use that app. And if you just love Chrome, then come here and then delete the cookies. We will see a lot of cookies. So here we have something that we have here. Just search and then choose everything here. Delete it. Just delete everything. So let me delete all this, and then I will restart this site. So I'll reload it and then I'll try to log in again. So that is it. As you can see, I have solved that problem. So in short, just open this and then delete the cookies here. So just proceed and then you will see a lot of cookies. Delete them and then you will see a reload icon here. Just tap on it, on that prompt, and then log in again. So that way you will solve this problem. So thanks for watching. I do share trading videos about Deriv and binary options. So subscribe and then like this video. Thanks for watching.